Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this instructional video of our brand new at-home cocktail shaker infusion kit. We're super excited. We're going to be going through all of the mechanics of this so you can be making drinks at home, at your own leisure. Yes. So when you receive your package in the mail, this is exactly what it is going to look like. You have your proprietary herb blend in the mason jar, you have your mason jar, and you have the lid component. So every single cocktail kit that you are sent at home is going to come with 6 components. Number 1 is going to be our proprietary herbal blend. This is going to be key for making your infusion at home. You also are going to have the mason jar, which is going to house your infusion and also double as a cocktail shaker in the future. You have this top lid. This is going to be fundamental while you're actually making cocktails, and these holes right here are going to strain out all of the little ice chunks. Next, we're going to have this fine mesh strainer. This is going to be used to take out particles from the actual infusion itself. Just place that right inside your top part. Next, take the silicone seal and place that on top of your fine mesh strainer. Just as a little tidbit for all of you at home, this silicone seal is not dishwasher safe, so be an angel and wash it by hand. Next, you're going to take the cap and place that directly on top. And all of these components fit snugly together. Just screw that on top of your mason jar fixture and make sure it's nice and snug so there's no spillage while you're shaking. So the blend we're using today is specifically catered toward neutral grain spirits, so take a bottle of your favorite vodka or even your favorite gin and pour that entire 750 milliliter bottle into the infusion jar. So all you're going to have to do is take this cap off, pour it into an empty glass. Next, take all these bad boys in here and discard them in your local compost. Be good to the planet, mother. Now that you have your infusion and a clean cocktail shaker, you're ready to make some drinks, baby!